Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need some free headroom right away, so start by checking settings storage to see used versus free space. Clear the Play Store and Play Services cache. This often frees several megabytes quickly. Once done, uninstall any large apps you no longer use, and move photos, videos, or downloads to an SD card or cloud. This combination gives you immediate room and prevents Play Store errors while you continue deeper cleanup. Do these now before attempting updates or installs. Now you dig deeper. Open Settings apps and sort by storage to find the top 3 space hogs, because targeting them yields the biggest gains. For each, use Clear Cache liberally and only clear data if you can re-sign in, since data removal resets app settings. Remove offline maps, old downloads, and duplicate photos. Once those are gone, empty the trash or recent deletions folder to actually reclaim bytes. This step-by-step pruning is why installs will succeed afterward. Finish by rebooting your device so the system re-indexes free space, then reopen Play Store and retry the download or update. Many failures resolve after a restart. If you still lack space, run a trusted cleaner like Files by Google to remove junk and large unused files automatically, and make sure your SD card isn't mounted read-only. If problems persist, reset app preferences for Play Store and Play Services to restore defaults. This often clears hidden restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.